Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1. Subject is English. Dear students, today we will study unit 3, lesson 5 of writing and lesson 6 of instructions. These lessons have been given at pages 19 and 20. Let's begin. This is page 19 of your book. This is the question C. Look at the pictures below. Write what each animal eats. Read this question again. Look at the pictures below. Write what each animal eats. In this question, you have to write what each animal eats. First, we have to look at the pictures. This is example. First example has been done for you. Look at, these are parrots, and you know parrots are eating mangoes. Okay, so we write parrots eat mangoes. What we write? Parrots eat mangoes. Okay, look at this picture. Parrots eat mangoes. Okay, look at this picture. A big fish eats fish. Okay, so we write here fish eats fish. What we write? Fish eats fish. Now look at the next picture. They are tigers, and you know tigers eat meat. Tigers eat meat. Yes, so we write here tigers eat meat. Read the sentence. Tigers eat meat. Now see the next picture. Look at these goats. They are goats, and you know goats eat grass. What they eat? Goats eat grass. So we write goats eat grass. Read this sentence. Goats eat grass. Now look at the last picture. Look at, they are cats, and you know cats like to eat rats. Cats like to eat rats. So we write here cats eat rats. Read this sentence. Cats eat rats. Okay, now we will do next question, question D. First we read this question. Write how many animals there are in each picture. Okay, below. Read again. Write how many animals there are in each picture below. Yes, now here some pictures have been given. Look at these pictures. Okay, parrots. Here you can see parrots, you can see fish, you can see tigers, you can see goats, and you can see cats. Okay, and but how many they are? This is the question. So we have to count. Okay, we have to count all the animals one by one. How many parrots? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 parrots. So we write here, number 1, there are 4 parrots. What we write? There are 4 parrots. Okay, again read this sentence. There are 4 parrots. Now look at the second picture. Fish. Now how many fish? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fish? 4 fish. Okay, so we write here there are 4 fish. What we write? There are 4 fish. Like this. There are 4 fish. Read the sentence. There are 4 fish. Now look at the third picture. Tigers. How many tigers you can see? Only 2 tigers. Okay, only 2 tigers you can see. 1 and 2. So we write there are 2 tigers. Okay, how many tigers? There are 2 tigers. Now see the next picture. Goats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goats. You can see 5 goats. Okay, so we write there are 5 goats. there are 5 goats. Look at the next picture. How many cats? Count 1, 2, 3. How many cats? 3 cats. So we write here, there are 3 cats. What we write? There are 3 cats. Okay. Now see the next page, page number 20. And what is the activity? See here. Oh, look at this picture. This is the jar of jam. This is a knife. This is butter. Okay, and this is a plate. And they are the slices of bread. And this is a big plate. Okay. Now here we have to learn how to make a sandwich. Okay. Here we have to learn how to make a sandwich. Okay. Now what you need when you are going to make a sandwich, so what things you need? Number 1, 2 slices of bread. How many slices of bread you need? 2 slices of bread. Number 2, a packet of butter. Okay, 2 slices of bread and packet of butter. Okay, a jar of jam. Yes, a jar of jam. And next, a knife. Yes, it is very necessary. And then a big plate. Okay, now read what things you need when you are going to make a sandwich. 2 slices of bread, a packet of butter, a jar of jam, a knife, a big plate. And what to do? Now see what to do. Number 1, wash your hands. Yes, children, this is very compulsory. When you are going to eat something, when you are going to make something, first you wash your hands. Okay, wash your hands. Number 2, put 2 slices of bread on a plate. Okay, put 2 slices of bread on a plate. Number 3, get a knife. Yes, get a knife. Number 4, put some butter on 1 slice of bread with the knife. Yes, what should you do? You put some butter on 1 slice of bread with the knife. Okay, and number 5, put some jam on the other slice of bread with the knife. Okay, now you have jam. Yes, you have a jar of jam, so you put some jam on the other slice of bread with the knife. Okay, and number 6, put 1 slice of bread on top of the other slice. Yes, then you put 1 slice of bread on top of the other slice. Okay, number 7, cut the sandwich in half. Then you have to cut the sandwich in half like this. Okay, you have to cut the sandwich in half, in 2 pieces. Okay, and the last one, number 8, eat the sandwich. Very tasty, very delicious. Okay, eat the sandwich. Now question B, complete the sentences with the words in the box. Okay, here you have to complete the sentences with the words in the box. And what are the words? Look at. Yes, they are the words. Put and eat, wash, get, cut. Again read all these words. Put, eat, wash, get, cut. Okay, and remember you have to put in the blanks twice. Okay, now look at the paragraph. Yeah, this is the paragraph. First we read. First your hands. What? First you wash your hands. Yes, first you wash your hands, because I have told you when you are going to eat, first you wash your hands. First you wash your hands, then you get a knife. Yes, then you get a knife. You put butter and jam on the slices of bread. Here you put. Okay, next you put 1 slice of bread on top of the other slice. Okay, next you put one slice of bread on top of the other slice. You cut the sandwich in half. Yes, then you cut the sandwich in half, in two pieces. Finally, you eat the sandwich. Finally, you eat the sandwich. Now, first you wash your hands, okay? Then you get a knife and then you put butter and jam on the slices of bread. Next, you put one slice of bread on top of the other slice. You cut the sandwich in half. Finally, you eat the sandwich. Okay? You have to write all these words in given blanks in your book. Okay? Now question number C. Match the following. It's very easy question. Now number 1. A glass of water. A glass of water. We say a glass of water. We say a cup of tea. Yes, we always take tea in a cup. Okay? A cup of tea. Then we say a slice of bread. Yes, we eat a slice of bread. So we say a slice of bread. A jar of jam. Yes, we say a jar of jam. A jar of jam. Then the last one, a packet of butter. Yes, we say a packet of butter. Okay. Now number 2, a cup of tea. Yes, match like this. A cup of tea. Number 3, a slice of bread. Yes, a slice of bread. Number 4, a jar of jam. Yes, we have to match like this. Okay. The last one, number 5, a packet of butter. Yes, so we match like this. A packet of butter. Okay. Now guidelines for parents. A. Ask the child to complete C and D from page 19 in her copybook. जो पेज नंबर 19 में क्वेश्चन सी और डी है उनको बच्चे कॉपी बुक में सॉल्व करेंगे. बी. आस्क द चाइल्ड टू रीड हाउ टू मेक अ सैंडविच. जी पेज नंबर 20 में जो सैंडविच बनाने की टेक्निक दी गई है उसको बच्चों को सबसे पहले कहें कि उसको रीड करें. अगर कहीं उन्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा तो उनको समझाइए कि किस तरह स्टेप्स होंगे सैंडविच बनाने के, और अगर हो सके तो प्रैक्टिकली भी बच्चों को ऑफ़र करें कि वो ये घर पर भी मेक करें. सी पार्ट है आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट बी एंड सी एट पेज 20. और पेज नंबर 20 जो बुक में दिया हुआ है उसके क्वेश्चन बी और सी आपने बुक पर ही करवाने हैं. उसे कॉपी पे नहीं करवाएंगे आप, बुक पे ही बच्चे इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.